In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate notes from Evernote to Obsidian. By the end, you'll have your Evernote notes pulled into your Obsidian vault using Obsidian's importer plugin. I'll walk you through each click, explain what's happening, and share a few tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Obsidian and making sure you're inside the vault where you want your Evernote notes to live. If you have multiple vaults, pick the one that's going to become your new home for those notes. This matters because the import will place the converted files directly into the currently open vault. Next, open Settings. You'll find the gear icon in the lower left corner of the app. Clicking that opens the control center for Obsidian. We're heading into the area where third-party enhancements live. Inside Settings, go to Community Plugins. This is where you can add powerful features built by the Obsidian community and the Obsidian team. We'll use it to bring in the Importer plugin, which is designed to convert notes from other apps into clean Markdown files for your vault. Now, click Browse. This opens the Community Plugin Browser, a searchable list of plugins you can install with one click. In the search box, type Importer. You should see the official Importer plugin appear. This is the tool that handles Evernote's export format and translates it into Obsidian-friendly notes, including attachments and metadata where possible. Click Install. The download is quick, and once it completes, go ahead and click Enable. Enabling turns the plugin on inside your vault. If you see any brief prompts about using community plugins, that's normal. You're confirming that you want to proceed with this plugin in your current vault. You can now close the plugin browser or settings to return to the main interface. You'll notice that Importer becomes accessible from the left sidebar or within Settings under the Community Plugins section. Click Importer on the left side to open its panel. This view is where you choose what you're importing and from where. Inside Importer, you'll see an option to choose a file format or source. Select the Evernote option. Evernote's export files typically use the Emacs format, which is an XML-based file that contains your notes and in many cases tags and attachments. Importer is built to interpret that structure and convert it into Markdown notes and resource files inside your vault. Now, choose Files. This opens your system file picker. Navigate to the Evernote export file or files you want to bring in. If you've exported multiple notebooks separately, you can select them one at a time or import them in batches depending on how you organized your export. When you've highlighted the correct file, click Open to stage it for import. With your Evernote file selected and the format set to Evernote, you're ready to run the import. Click Import. The plugin will begin processing your Emacs file, creating Markdown notes, and saving any embedded resources like images or attachments into folders in your vault. The time this takes depends on how many notes you have and how large they are. While it's running, avoid closing Obsidian so it can finish cleanly. When the import completes, click Done. At this point, your Evernote content has been migrated. You can browse your vault to see the results. Notes will appear as Markdown files, and you'll find attachments stored alongside them in resource folders. Titles usually mirror your original note titles, and tags may be converted into Obsidian-compatible tags placed within the notes. If you use notebooks in Evernote, those can show up as folders depending on how your export was structured and how Importer interprets it. A couple of quick tips as you review your imported notes. If you see any formatting quirks, that's normal when moving between systems. Markdown is simpler and more future-proof than rich text formats. Embedded images and PDFs should open normally. Internal links created by the importer will let you navigate between notes just like you would in Obsidian. And that's the whole process. Open Obsidian, use settings to access community plugins, browse for importer, install and enable it, open the importer view, choose Evernote as the format, pick your Emacs files, run the import, and finish with Done. You've successfully moved your notes from Evernote to Obsidian, ready to take advantage of backlinks, graph view, and all the power of Markdown inside your vault.